Hello everyone, welcome to Vasoltar prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check what the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of September 2021 for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, let's check it out what's going on with Sagittarius in the month of September. Okay, a major rebirth is happening for you. Okay, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Major changes are happening for you. Okay, completion, something is ending, something new is starting for you. 100% transformation changes. A major transformation is going to take place for you. Major transformation is going to take place. Okay, you're transforming internally, your soul is growing. Your soul growth is really utmost important, because something has come to an end, something new is starting, and that's why your soul is emerging to the next phase of your life. Okay, you're going with the flow in the month of September. You're realizing a lot of facts and things about yourself, or the people around you. Okay, yes, you are going with the flow, juggling between, but at the same time you're juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Yes, a lot of confusion. You feel that there is fight going on between your head and heart. Okay, or outside in your physical environment. So either outside in the physical environment fighting is going on, or fighting is going on between your head and heart. Okay, a lot of disappointments are there in your life. Okay, you feel disappointed related to some things in life. Yes, your heart chakra is healing. Your heart chakra is actually healing, which is good. Okay, so you're waiting for some sort of a major breakthrough in your life. Okay, which is very good. Breakthrough is on the horizon for you. Also, one more thing, guys, if you wish to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, it may resonate, it may not resonate. So if it doesn't resonate, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Yes, karmic justice is ending, karmic justice is taking place, endings is on the horizon, new beginnings are on the horizon, new abundance, major changes in your life is coming in your life in the upcoming months. For the next 10 months, new changes will be coming. Your life is transforming to the next phase of your life. You're juggling between choices, connections, decisions, evaluating the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, you need to be very action oriented in the upcoming months. Okay, very much action oriented, guys. Okay, yes, you whatever hard work you do, the amount of input you hard work you do, the amount of output you should get, you are not getting it. Okay, so work smartly, not don't do hard work, do smart work. Okay, trust your intuition level a lot, guys. Okay, you don't trust your intuition level much, so trust your intuition level. There are opportunities waiting for you, but it will be coming within next one year. Okay, not exactly in October, November, but yeah, within next 1 year new opportunities will be coming, opening doors will be opening for you. Okay, yes, and trust me, if you are feeling stuck with the changes, that things are not working out into your favor, then the wheel of fortune is turning in your favor. Okay, so within next 10 months to 1 year, things are about to change drastically into your life. Okay, sudden changes, sudden growth, major changes will be happening in your life within next 10 months to 1 year. Okay, either in your career life or into your personal life. Yes, you feel that you need to reach out to a person, you need to reach out somewhere. Okay, so yes, a sort of message, call, it can be anything, but yeah, you are going to reach out to someone. Okay, so yeah, or you are waiting for some sort of an offer related to a situation in your career life. So you're waiting game is going on. Maybe you're waiting for some sort of an offer, some sort of a project, but yeah, something waiting game is going on. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, something, the financial problem, financial crisis you are going through, that is coming to an end, and new beginnings are on the horizon in the upcoming months for you, Sagittarius. Okay, um, Yes, you are not working towards self love and self care. You are thinking about everyone else, but you are not thinking about yourself. That's your problem. And some the others of you, if there is a third party situation creating blockages in your personal life, then you need to release the third party situation. Okay, the others of you, if you are thinking of doing a business, what business you need to do, then you can go into cosmetic business or clothing business or merchandising or beauty products, saloons and all. You can think about women clothing related to um, uh, care hair and care products, beauty products. Okay, so yeah, you are very fearful because there are hidden truths, hidden secrets will be coming out in your life. But yeah, you have a very fearful energy. Yes, you are feeling weak into a situation, really feeling weak into a situation, either in your personal life or into your career life. You feel that there is less or no communication with someone, and you are carrying a lot of baggage and burden of someone. Okay, you need to release that baggage and burden of someone, because you are carrying a lot of baggages and burdens of everyone. That's the thing. Okay, let's see what's going on in your love life. Okay, so okay, Sagittarius, you need to go for an honeymoon retreat. Okay, enjoy the bliss holiday time with your partner. Go for an honeymoon. And if you have started dating someone recently, you need to get to know each other. You need to spend time with each other. You need to have a heart-to-heart communication so that you can start knowing someone. Okay, you need a vacation, guys. Sagittarius, you need to disconnect from the world, and you need a vacation. You need to travel somewhere. You need to, actually, it is really important for you. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay, so stay optimistic about your love life. Things will start happening in your favor, guys. Okay, so yeah, if you have already met with your romantic partner, you feel that this is the person you want to spend your time with, or you want to spend the rest of your life with. You have already met the romantic partner, you see. Okay, you are releasing your ex. You need to release your ex if you are dealing with double people. Double, if you are double dating, you need to release your ex. I need to tell you, the time has come to clear your energy, and a true love is entering into your life for few of the Sagittarius. Okay, so there are people who are married. They need to go in a vacation or a retreat. The people who are started recently getting into a dating thing or relationship, you are thinking that this can be the person of your life. Okay, and there's a new person entering into your life for others of the Sagittarius. True love is entering into your life. Okay, so three kinds of people I'm seeing, three kinds of readings I can see in the same reading. So yeah, let's see what's your life purpose. What's your life purpose? What's your life purpose? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so you are. Wait a second, guys. I need to take this up. Okay, artistic. Okay, so yeah, engaging in artistic activities. Start spending time with your artistic things. Okay, or some of you might be into acting, entertainment industry. Engaging in artistic activities is beneficial for your career and easy every other area of your life. Okay, get involved into artistic things. Okay, you are free to do whatever you want or whatever you choose, which is very good. Some of you need to start reading books and spend time with reading books and enhancing your nature. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so some of you might be involved, guys. 1 second, sorry guys, this card was fallen down. So okay, so in the body work, it's like your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy and exercising. Wow, so some of you might be fitness freak, I feel. Okay, talk to your angels. Okay, instead of worrying, ask for a divine guidance, which is very good. Spiritual teacher, Okay, you heal with your classes, sessions, and seminars. Some of you might be involved in the spiritual healing. Some of you might be taking webinars and seminars, okay, related to spiritual topics. Okay, so yes, it will really help you, and you might become a spiritual teacher. Okay, that's your guidance. I hope you like this reading, guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye. Take care.